put it in manual mode. It's not in sport mode or traction. Let's not put it in manual mode. Sometimes you just got to jump in the car and ride, huh? When you got this kind of car. When you love your car, you just want to hop into it for a little while on Saturday afternoon. Hear the exhaust. Here's the Chally. Challenges. You can really hear the Magna Flow Magnapacks. Just a moment, you will. We're going on the highway, out of the hood. So as you can see, we don't have the engine light on anymore. We fixed it. There's the Chally. Just so dirty, pollen. No use in washing it until this stuff is over, and it's gonna rain, so can't get to the car wash. It's just so stupid to do. Camaro. Challenger. Going to Sonic and getting some food. That's what we want to do. Just an excuse to go into the car. You can tell the difference. This is what the video is for, and how the Magna Flows have changed the sound. When you get out of it, it gets real quiet, don't it? I don't know what it's done to the performance of this car. I really don't. I don't know if it's the throttle. Maybe a little. I think it's okay. Maybe a little lag. I don't know. At the beginning. Throttle response. Got to be careful through here though. Get your wits about you, Camaro. This is where you got to do 45 right here for sure. Just see if we could see something coming out here like we saw a couple of Challengers, a couple of Camaros. Be right back. Get some Sonic. Let's see how it sounds here. Well, it gets really quiet when it's in idle. Not like it used to be. And there are no more fumes. But when you get into it, it really cranks it out. So we're going to go here back on the highway, and we're going to see how this sounds here. Just one moment. All right, happy hour. Large diet cherry limeade. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. See what we got going on here. Take a little ride through the Chally. The riced out Chally. Here we go. Here we go, man. Get on the highway here. Let's put it in sport mode. Go, baby. See the exhaust as being able to have some kind of sound. It's like it's sending a signal to your fellow cars. Because I don't hear anybody. Haven't heard anybody yet with this. Right up under the bridge, boy. There goes a Mustang. Sounds like a GTR. Leave a comments and see what you think. What do you think it sounds like? Sounds like rice, don't it? Come on, little car. Here we go. Get it. You sure will get it. Tootling around, going to get some Sonic and coming back home in the Cali. Seen a few Challengers out here, a little bit of a Charger, a couple of Mustangs and Camaros. Oh Lord, look at the tire. Jesus. Please get that out of the road. Please don't cause no problems for nobody tonight. Got a lot of traffic out here. Woo, baby, woo. That was fun. Got up to 107. Hope y'all enjoy this video. I enjoy bringing it to you. Look at this baby in sport mode. Got me a chili cheese coney and some large tots and a large diet cherry limeade. Watch a movie. Been watching all the John Wicks today. 1, 2, and 3. Y'all big fans of John Wick? I am. I love his Mustang and the Chevelle. I got those in the green light 1/64 scale. Now this 1/1 scale Chally is what I'm paying attention to right now. I went and looked at O'Reilly's to try to find some silhouettes, but no. No go. I got enough anyway. I might be just selling the whole lot. Just sell them all. Might keep a few of them. I can really sell some. We're almost home. Almost home. But yeah, it gets really quiet. Train track right here. This damn thing. Yeah, I'd like to make a, let's see if we could do a twin turbo on this thing. What would you think, a twin turbo or just a single boosted turbo on this baby? Just to have a little fun, a little bit more fun. My stripes to come in from a hood there. It's supposed to be coming in today. I don't know. It says it's supposed to arrive today. Sound like an angry hornet. Let's put it out of sport mode. Going into the... Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for joining me on Slow Car SXT Rice. Follow me on Instagram, YouTube. Baby. Yes, sir. Peace.